We are done with Module 1, so now let's proceed with Module 2. Grammatical and Syntactic Awareness. In the following sentence, what part of speech is the word bravery? His incredible bravery was rewarded with a badge of honor. The correct answer is no. Can we use non-action verbs example no, like, be, etc. in a continuous progressive tense? The correct answer is no. Choose the correct verb form to complete the passive sentence. Active. Charlotte thinks someone was following her. Passive. Charlotte thinks she was being followed. Which of the following is an example of something you would not teach at elementary level? Relative clauses. Look at the sentence. He thought the test was really difficult even though he had studied so hard. Which word from the three below has a different grammatical function? Difficult. Can you replace which with that in the following sentence? The flowers which I love are daffodils. No.